If you like my creation of what you seen in this video on my channel, feel free and share. And if you prefer, you can subscribe. So, let's create. This is a 3-pound catfish. Look at this baby. Hello. It's been cleaned already. And the way I'm going to cook this is in the oven, and I'm going to stuff it. This thing is gigantic, 3 pounds. And the kind of stuffing I'm going to use for this, it's going to be crab meat, not the fake stuff. And I'm going to use shrimp. So first I'm going to steam the shrimp. It's about a pound. I might not need it all, but you want them steam or cook. And when they turn orange is when they're ready. I made 3 small incisions on each side because I want some of the flavors and spices to penetrate. You don't have to go crazy. So I have some sea salt, but this one is actually from Iceland, which I ordered. It's seaweed salt, but you can go with regular sea salt. If you don't have sea salt, you can go with any type of salt. And I got some fresh thyme. And I'm going to peel some of these leaf and I'm going to add them here. And I'm going to get a squeeze of lemon so I can make this more manageable, the salt. Start floating it. Make sure you put some in the little incisions. Definitely in the inside. You want this baby with some nice flavor. And then add more salt to cover those incisions. You know, your salt, your thyme. Add the mix because you want to add flavor. So I have about 3/4 of a bar of unsalted butter. I'm melting it. I have about 5 or 6 teeth of garlic which I minced. I'm going to add it. And I'm going to add some of my fresh thyme. And I'm going to let this baby, now that it's melted, cook for about a minute or 2. You don't want the garlic to burn, so move it around for about a minute or 2. In a small pot, medium high, put a little bit of butter or oil, extra virgin olive oil. Or go with ghee, butter, it's clear. And preheat this baby. It's very simple. You're going to have sweet peppers, chop, onion, chop, chives, chop, and a little bit of cilantro. You know, not a lot of stuff, you know, just this little bit of things. And you're going to put it here. And just start playing with this fragrance. After a minute or so, you're going to add some of the shrimp, which I cut in smaller pieces. Remember, the shrimp was already steamed, so this doesn't have to be here for a long time. You might want to add a little bit of salt. Don't go too crazy, just a little bit to your taste. Then you start adding some of the crab meat. You're not cooking the crab meat now. What you're doing is mixing it so you can turn the stove off and add some of the crab meat now. Then what you do is you grab some of the mojo butter that was preparing earlier and you add it on top. See how softer it got? But what you want is to make it a little bit softer, the meal. You can give it a taste. This is your stuffing now. See how beautiful? Nice. Now the stuff is off, by the way. You just mix it things up because you're going to put inside the catfish and it's going to cook in the oven again. You don't want raw seafood. Oh, this looks so delicious. So it's time to start stuffing this catfish. So use this. Look at that beauty, huh? And you're going to put inside this baby. Make sure you have some strings nearby because you're going to have to tie it up. But make sure you put some of that baby, some of that shrimp, crab meat, and all the deliciousness. This is a secret original recipe, by the way. What a better meal for Thanksgiving. Honoring the fisherman, honoring whoever you want to honor, because the sea has been great to us too. And maybe Christmas, huh? You can replace the shrimp and the crab with something else. Maybe with catfish to add different parameters of flavor. See how nice this looks? I'm going to tie this baby. So you can manage things easier when they're tied, you know what I mean? It's easier to manage things. And you might want to tie it further down. That's some beauty. So I transfer everything to a cast iron griddle, aluminum foil. I put some butter or ghee butter on top, a little bit. Rosemary added for some aromatics. I'm going to tie this one more time. 350 degrees Fahrenheit, the oven. And there it goes. So it's been about 35 minutes. I have more of my mojo sauce, which is the butter with garlic. And I added some ground pepper too, black pepper. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit here. So it remains juicy and nice. I don't want it too dry. See how beautiful? Put it back in and cook it for another like 5 minutes.